Dropshipping has become a popular business model for aspiring entrepreneurs due to its low startup costs and reduced risk. In dropshipping, you sell products without holding any inventory. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the order is sent to a third-party supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to start and run a successful dropshipping business. Chapter 1. Understanding Dropshipping. 1.1 What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. When a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Advantages of dropshipping. Low startup costs. Minimal initial investment since you don't need to purchase inventory upfront. Reduced risk. You only buy products after making a sale, lowering financial risk. Wide product range. Offer a broad selection of products without holding inventory. Scalability. Easily scale your business without worrying about inventory management. Disadvantages of dropshipping. Lower profit margins. Individual purchases from suppliers can result in lower margins. Less control over product quality and shipping. Relying on suppliers can affect quality and delivery times. High competition. The low barrier to entry means more competition. Chapter 2. Market research and niche selection. 2.1. Identifying your niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial for success. A niche is a specific market segment you will target. It should align with your interests and knowledge, making it easier to market products and connect with your audience. Steps to identify your niche. List your interests and passions. Consider what you enjoy doing and are passionate about. Research market trends. Use tools like Google Trends, social media, and industry reports to identify popular and growing niches. Analyze your competition. Look at successful dropshipping businesses to understand their niches and market positioning. 2.22. Conducting market research. Conduct thorough market research to ensure demand for your products and understand your competition. Steps to conduct market research. Use keyword research tools. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and Ahrefs can help you identify search volume for products and related keywords. Check trending products. Platforms like Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress highlight trending products. Analyze social media. Look at hashtags, posts, and discussions to gauge interest in potential products. Chapter 3. Finding reliable suppliers. 3.1 Types of suppliers. There are different types of suppliers you can work with. Manufacturers produce the products. Working directly with manufacturers can offer better pricing, but may require higher order volumes. Wholesalers. Middlemen who buy from manufacturers and sell to retailers often have lower minimum order requirements. Dropshipping suppliers. Specialized suppliers offering dropshipping services. They hold inventory and ship products directly to customers. 3.2. Evaluating suppliers. Choosing reliable suppliers is crucial. Consider these factors when evaluating suppliers. Reputation. Look for reviews and ratings on platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu. Product quality. Order samples to check quality. Communication. Ensure the supplier is responsive and easy to communicate with. Shipping times. Confirm the supplier can meet your shipping requirements. Return policies. Verify clear policies on returns, refunds, and defective products. Chapter 4. Setting up your online store. 4.1. Choosing an e-commerce platform. Choose an e-commerce platform to set up your store. Popular options include Shopify. Offers a wide range of features and easy integration with dropshipping apps like Oberlo and DSers. WooCommerce. A WordPress plugin allowing high customization and various plugins for dropshipping. BigCommerce provides robust features and integrations for dropshipping businesses. 4.2. Setting up your store. Steps to set up your store. 1. Register your domain name. Choose a unique and memorable domain name. 2. Design your store. Choose a theme or template that aligns with your brand. 2. Customize layout, colors, and fonts. 3. Add products, import products from suppliers. 3. Provide detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and accurate pricing. 4. Set up payment gateways. Set up payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, and credit card payments. 5. Configure shipping settings. Set up shipping methods, rates, and zones. 6. Create essential pages. Include About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, and Terms of Service pages. Chapter 5. Marketing your dropshipping business. 5.1. Developing a marketing strategy. A successful marketing strategy attracts customers and generates sales. Key components include content marketing. Create valuable content related to your niche like blog posts, videos, and infographics. Social media marketing. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Consider paid ads for broader reach. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters. Use tools like MailChimp or Klaviyo. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website and content for search engines. Focus on keyword research, on-page SEO, and building backlinks. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers to promote products and build trust. 5.2. Paid advertising. Paid advertising helps quickly reach a larger audience and drive traffic. Popular methods include Google Ads. Use search ads, display ads, and shopping ads. Facebook ads. Target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Instagram ads. Integrated with Facebook ads for targeting Instagram users. Retargeting ads. Reach visitors who previously visited your site but didn't purchase. Chapter 6. Managing your dropshipping business. 6.1. Order fulfillment. Efficient order fulfillment maintains customer satisfaction. Steps include 1. Receive order notification. Notification from your e-commerce platform when a customer orders. 2. Forward order to supplier. Send order details to the supplier. 3. Supplier ships. Product. Supplier processes and ships the order. 4. Update order status. Update status and provide tracking information to the customer. 6.2. Customer service. Excellent customer service builds trust and retains customers. Tips include respond promptly. Aim to respond to inquiries within 24 hours. Be transparent. Keep customers informed about their orders. Handle returns and refunds. Develop a clear return policy and handle issues efficiently. 6.3. Inventory management. Even without holding inventory, manage product availability with suppliers. Use inventory management tools. Automatically update stock levels. Communicate with suppliers. Maintain regular communication. Diversify suppliers. Work with multiple suppliers for backup options. Chapter 7. Analyzing and optimizing your business. 7.1. Tracking key metrics. Track performance metrics to understand your business's success. Important metrics include sales and revenue. Monitor financial health. Conversion rate. Percentage of visitors who make a purchase. Average order value. AOV. Average amount spent per order. Customer acquisition cost. CAC. Cost to acquire each new customer. Customer lifetime value. CLV. Total value a customer brings over their lifetime. 7.2. Optimizing your store. Regularly optimize your store for better user experience and higher conversions. Improve website speed. Ensure fast loading times. Enhance product pages. Create detailed descriptions. Use high-quality images and include reviews. Simplify checkout. Reduce steps and offer multiple payment methods. Optimize for mobile. Ensure mobile-friendly design. Chapter 8. Scaling your dropshipping business. 8.1. Expanding your product range. Expand your product range to attract more customers and increase sales. Add complementary products. Introduce related products. Explore new niches. Enter new niches aligned with your brand. Use customer feedback. Identify new product opportunities through feedback. 8.2. Automating your business. Implement automation to streamline operations. Order processing. Use tools to automatically forward orders and update status. Inventory management. Use software to update stock levels. Email marketing. Automate email campaigns. Customer service. Implement chatbots for common inquiries. 8.3. Outsourcing and building a team. Outsource tasks or build a team to manage different aspects of your business. Customer service. Hire virtual assistants or support agents. Marketing. Work with freelance marketers or agencies. Content creation. Outsource to freelance writers, designers, or video producers. Order fulfillment. Partner with fulfillment centers or 3PLs. Conclusion. Starting and running a successful dropshipping business requires careful planning, research, and ongoing optimization. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can build a profitable dropshipping business that meets the needs of your target audience and stands out in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Stay adaptable, continuously learn, and keep up with industry trends to ensure long-term success. Happy dropshipping!